Somewhere in the future, maybe closer than you think, a job posting will be written. Nothing special about it, except for one thing. It will be the last one. The final job opening in human history. We can't read it yet, but we can do something better. We can deduce what it says. Let's solve it. Backwards. First, let's eliminate the suspects everyone names. Plumber, electrician, nurse. The usual safe list. Here's the problem. That list isn't a list of jobs AI can't do. It's a list of jobs where robot hands are still expensive. That's not safety. That's a delivery delay. Hands are an engineering problem. And engineering problems have one thing in common. They get solved. The safe list isn't last. It's just late. To find the actual answer, watch what AI eats first. It doesn't eat jobs, it eats tasks. Drafting the email, reading the scan, writing the code. Every job is a bundle of tasks, and AI unbundles them, keeps the parts it can do, and hands the leftovers back to you. So the question isn't which job survives, it's which task inside all jobs resists the longest. There are exactly 3 candidates. Candidate 1, accountability. When a bridge collapses, society doesn't want a refund. It wants a name. Someone who can be questioned, blamed, sued, jailed. An AI can design the bridge, but it can't be punished. And a system nobody can punish is a system nobody will trust with life and death. So humans keep one strange task: signing. The engineer who approves, the doctor who confirms, the officer who authorizes. Not because we do it better, because we can be held to it. Candidate 2, wanting. AI is the greatest answer machine ever built. But an answer machine has a dependency. Questions. Every model waits for a prompt, and a prompt is a desire, something a human wanted. Taste, preference, the decision that this is good and that is boring. Machines optimize toward goals, but the goals walk in from outside. Deciding what should exist, what's worth making, worth watching, worth wanting. That job description has had one species on it forever. Candidate 3, the strangest one. Sometimes humanness is the product itself. We pay extra for handmade pottery glazed by someone's actual hands, while machine-made sits cheaper on the same shelf. Nobody watches chess engines play each other. We watch 2 nervous humans sweat. Live music, sports, the bartender who remembers you. In an automated world, a real person did this, stops being a description, and becomes a luxury brand. Quick pause. Run your own job through the filter. How much of your week is producing, drafting, processing, formatting, summarizing? That share is leaving, and honestly, most of it deserves to. How much is signing, wanting, or being trusted as a human? That's your durable core. For most desk jobs, the honest ratio is uncomfortable. But here's the reframe. The boring 80% was never the part they really paid you for. So now we can write the last job posting. It won't say plumber, programmer, or even prompt engineer. It will ask for someone to decide what's worth doing, to care carry the blame if it fails, and to be unmistakably, certifiably human while doing it. Read that twice, and you'll notice something funny. That's not a new job at all. We've had words for it forever. Founder, leader, artist, parent. The last job is the first job, choosing and answering for the choice. One warning before we close. Last doesn't mean many. A world that only needs humans for choosing and signing might not need very many humans on payroll. And the ones it needs may be paid like superstars, while everyone else renegotiates what work even means. That's not a prediction. It's a fork in the road. And which path we take depends on decisions being made right now, in the decade you're living in. So, the last job won't go to whoever works hardest. It'll go to whoever can want things clearly and put their name on the outcome. The machines handle the rest faster than we're ready for. Those two things they can't do. Start practicing them now, while it's still optional. Punchcard explains money, work, and what's coming for both. Subscribe before the posting goes up.